here, so we don't glue these two liners. We're just gonna do an overlap, but I need at least a minimum of 6 to 8 inches overlap from our water level. So we had to raise this up, but because we have to raise this level up, that means that all these boulders, which are our pinches, we'll have to strap him, bring him up, change him, so I can get these to be at least 10 inches above this level and 10 inches above that level. The main reason, because we're gonna have pooling for about 4 inches, so I need to adjust for that. As far as this side, we're not gonna have a lot of pooling, but I still need these rocks to be above this level, or else we're not gonna have the effect of the waterfall. So unfortunately, this is what I kind of feared, because we had to put this the same level. Now these rocks are way too small, too low, so we'll have to move these up. Let's see if we can use them still, but change them in another direction where we're going to be able to have that height. Because we're going to have pool in here, I need these to be at least 6 to 10 inches above this level to be able to assist for that pooling.
Okay.
So a little more work,